Today I'd like to talk to you about a stage in the design to print process that is crucial in ensuring that you will always receive quality printed packaging that is consistent across a range of products. I'm confident there's not many brand managers and marketing teams out there who have not at some stage been disappointed by the printed results they've received compared to the initial PDFs that were shown on screen or the glossy printouts. One of the most crucial involvements to improve packaging quality and consistency is at an early stage of the design to print process. It is essential to have a technically minded production partner's input when some of the final design concepts have been presented. I often ask designers, what printing process is being used for this pack type? The answer more often than not is, I'm not sure, but it is important to have someone involved at this early stage who does know and who understands that process. It's important to know the print process so you can ensure the design meets certain specification criteria of that printing process, and to also design the pack with potential limitations of the process in mind. This understanding becomes even more crucial when designing for a brand range that involves multiple pack types. For example, in this range, you could have a flexible pouch, a self-adhesive label, a paper label, a foil sachet, and a cardboard can. That's many pack types involving a number of printing processes and varying substrates. Working with a production partner who understands each type of print process, its limitations and setup requirements, is vital to the consistency of reproduction of the design. They should be able to advise you on whether the final design concept will suit the print method, or if it is adaptable to achieve consistency across the range without compromising the integrity of your agency's original creative masterpiece. As an example, your production partner should know that the same design and images printed on a clear flexible pouch versus a foil sachet and then a carton will differ. And without the right technical input to align these images, you'll be left with inconsistency across the range. The second key tip to achieving consistent packaging that meets expectations is to use the right proofing. Many suppliers use generic proofs that are not a true representation of what is achievable on press. Make sure you're getting proofs that are ISO 13485 compliant, that is calibrated to both process and spot colours and output through the printer's agreed press profile. This will help to ensure you get the printed outcome you signed off on. So, it is about finding a design execution supplier with the right experience and knowledge, who can apply technical know-how to maximise the impact of the design on shelf, achieve consistency across the whole range of products, whatever the pack type may be. This level of input will help and guide brand managers and marketing teams to ensure that their expectations of what are possible are realistic and achievable. And maintaining the consistency of the brand will ultimately increase the integrity of that brand with their consumer.